Okay, so we've been talking a lot about hexes, curses, people sending negative crap to you, and, you know, how to deal with it and how to fix it and all those sorts of things, okay? So what if you just really, really, really want to know who it is? Not that it really matters, okay? But you just really want to know who it is. Well, today I'm going to tell you some ways to find that out, okay? I'm LadyStarFire, and today I'm here to bring you some more witchy tips on how to find out just who your enemies might be, okay? So, there's some different ways of doing this, and, you know, a lot of times we have an idea of who it may be. We got the coworker that, you know, is jealous, you know, maybe we pissed them off. We have the ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend or whatever, the person that we're now dating. You know, there's just so many different people out there that could be sending something to you. And they don't have to be witchy, okay? Just so you know. They could be Christian and sending you a prayer. They could just be going, I hope their life falls to crap, okay? Because they piss me off and I just want bad things to happen to them and blah, 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 okay? You know, they're not witchy, but they're sending you wish magic, okay? Wish magic is strong, just like anything else. Anytime you put forth the intent and you send it out, whether you're lighting a candle, mixing up a spell here, or just using your words, okay? It's all magic, it all works, and it all hits, okay? If you have the right intent and the right energy behind it, all right? So let's get on to some ways to start figuring some things out. You know, we have to figure out, number one, how important is it to know, all right? Because you can simply do a spell that says, whoever is sending me this negative energy and all this stuff, you know, I send it back to them. And then watch for the people who are having the same problems you've been having, okay? It can really be that simple. But there's also some other ways, you know, figure out. It's like I've had people talk about problems at home, you know, all of a sudden. Well, okay, so who's been at your house, okay? Who could have dropped something there on purpose or by accident? Maybe they just have some negative stuff going on in their life, and they come and they visit, and their negativity just kind of goes, and decides to reside there instead of going away with them, okay? Not intentional. It just happens, okay? So these are things to think about. For real stuff, okay, then who is witchy? Who knows witchy friends, you know? So there's a lot of things there to look at, you know, and there's the why, you know? I mean, have you pissed off somebody, you know, that might want to retaliate against you? So it kind of goes back to some of the other things. Look in your own backyard, okay? Did you maybe cause some of these things? Is it your karma that's happening, okay? So, but there are some other ways of doing this, okay? And, you know, if you're somebody that uses a pendulum, reads cards, runes, anything, okay, there are ways of doing this. So a simple way, you can take a piece of paper and write their names, okay? So we're going to say, you know, this is name 1. Leave some space here, okay? Name 2. Name 3. Or someone else, okay? Or, you know, anyone else, whatever, okay? So you can think of this name, okay, and, you know, pull a card. You can, you know, pull a rune if you work with those. You can take your pendulum, and I meant to bring one out, but here, I can. If you wear pendant, you know, things like this, you always have a pendulum, and they're usually better than some pendulums. So, you know, okay, so name 1. Are you the one that sent me negative energy? Okay. You know, name 2, and you'll know what your design is, okay? So it's like, name 3, oh, it was you, I got you, okay? So, yeah, that is a way of doing that, okay? So, if you don't have a pendulum or don't work with one, if you, have something you wear all the time, you can use that because it's already connected to you, okay? If you do have one, then if you have a rapport with it, then it's going to work well for you, and it's going to let you know which person it is. It's like if you've lost something, you can draw out your house or walk through your house. Is it in this room? Okay? Once you find the room it says yes, then start walking around till it starts doing its thing. All right? So pendulums work great for a lot of stuff, okay? Not just things like this, but they do work well for a lot of things as long as you work with it enough that you have a good rapport with it, okay? So that you know that it always answers truthfully for you, all right? And there's our reversal magic, like we've already just talked about in the previous videos. Just reverse it back. But before you do all of that, remember, like I told you in the other one, reversal, look in your own backyard first. If you do this right here and you don't get anything, and if you want to, just to cover yourself, put me, okay? Check that with your pendulum or your cards or runes or whatever you're doing, all right? Because before you do that reversible, you want to make sure that you're not doing this to yourself, either because you're just thinking negatively, there's something you've done, whatever it is, you've created it in some manner. Then when you do that reversible, you're reversing it back to you again, which means now you're going to pay the price again because you said, I want whoever's doing this to me to get it back. Well, you were doing it to yourself, so now you're getting more of it. Okay, don't do that. So make sure that it's not your own crap in your own backyard before doing that reversible, just like I told you before. Okay? So, there's so many ways, and it really, in the long run, does not matter who it was. If somebody's sending something to you, you simply want to get rid of it. Okay? But it's a really stupid witch that goes, I know Mary was doing it and nothing's happening to her when I did this, so now I'm going to do this, and well, that didn't work, so now I'm going to do this, because now you're building up some bad karma that's going to come back and bite you. Okay, so please don't do that. Don't do that, because that's black magic when you do that, and that's just coming back. Okay? If you do, once again, if you do a reverse and nothing happens, it was not that person. Okay? So stop and leave it alone. Don't keep doing it. Okay? If this makes sense to you, put I understand in the comments. Okay? So, and while you edit, subscribe if you haven't, click the bell, and click the like if you enjoy my videos. Okay? And share this with somebody that probably really needs this information that's not seeing it and not getting my videos. Okay? So, because YouTube doesn't always push them out to the people that actually need to see them. Okay? So anyway, I hope all this helps you and makes sense to you, and you know how to deal with possible hexes and curses and people that may be sending them to you and who they might be. Okay? So anyway, if I can help you in any other kind of way, you can go to my website, which is charlottesmysquweb.net, and send me a message. Comments down below, you can get there. I may not always get to them as quickly as you like. As quick, because I don't always see them if YouTube doesn't say, hey, you have a comment, okay? So it doesn't mean don't make them, because the more comments you make, the more YouTube will let me know there's comments, all right? So, but there's all kinds of ways you can come join my community, which is Sacred Legacy Builders on the platform School. That's SKOOL. You can download that in your Play Store, App Store, whatever you have, and then search for us. And you can also get on my new app, which is sacredlegacyportal.com. And there's a Ask Lady Starfire in that. I have actually fixed the notifications where it does notify me when somebody sends me a question. Or you can call my store if you need an answer right now. And it's during the hours of 9 to 6 Central Time, Monday through Saturday. You can call my store and ask me, okay? I am available, and that's what I'm here for, is to help you, okay? So feel free to call me. If something really horrible is going on and you need an answer right now, what do I do with this? Okay? And I don't mind. That's what I'm here for. And if you're local-ish, at least to the Jackson, Tennessee area, come by my store. I will help you right here, okay? So face to face. But anyway, so I hope all this helps you. Don't forget, there are more videos that pop up, and I'm here for you, and pretty much every Monday you get a new video. So, but that bell will let you know if I pop in a new one in between. So until the next one, have a wonderful day. Be safe. Look in your own backyard, and blessed be.